What's up guys, this is Amit and today I'm unboxing the brand new 2018 MacBook Air. So there's the box and just looking at it, it's very classic Apple, very classy and minimalistic. On the front of it, all you get is the side profile of the laptop itself, and I'm not sure if the camera picks it up very well, but I've gone with the space gray option. So let's just get straight into the box. And conveniently it has this pull tab, so it should be easy, no need for scissors. Let's just get this opened and we can get straight into the box. Lots of shaking required. Now this is the first MacBook I've ever bought, so I am honestly not sure what to expect in terms of the boxing experience, but there you go. Straight away on the top you have the MacBook itself. Let's just keep that aside for a second and see what else you get in the box. So there's some documentation inside of this little packet here, and if I open this up you get the user guide, which we will look at later, some more warranty information probably, and also some colored Apple stickers. I think this is the first time Apple has done colored stickers to match the color of the laptop, but personally I've never used an Apple sticker before, so I'm just gonna chuck them aside. And let's see what else we get. So you obviously get the UK adapter and the 30-watt charger as well, along with the USB-C to USB-C cable, I believe. Yep, so that's everything you get in the box, and let me just chuck this aside and look at the laptop itself. Now already I can tell this is a very compact, very small, thin and lightweight laptop, but let's just take this protective covering off and oh yes, I don't think any product comes anywhere near to the unboxing experience of an Apple product. So there you go guys, the space gray MacBook Air 2018 in all its glory. And honestly, the first thing I've noticed is how lightweight and compact this is. Absolutely loving the space gray finish on this. Like I said, I've never owned a MacBook before, so yeah, I'm really very impressed already. So let's just open this, and also a good time to test if you can open the laptop with just the one hand. Maybe not, I don't think that's possible, so never mind. There we go, and obviously comes with this protective sheet. Oh, that's interesting. It automatically powered itself on. I didn't even press the button there, but yeah. So I'm gonna take some time setting this up and be back with my first impressions. Okay, so it took a while to set this up, but there it is, all set up now. And honestly, the first thing I've noticed is it's got very thin bezels, and it is a retina display, so you get 2560 by 1600 pixels. And the other thing I've already noticed is just how smooth and precise this trackpad is. Apart from that, in terms of design, like I said, this is a very compact and a very lightweight laptop. On this side you just get the two Thunderbolt ports, and on the other side you have just the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now yes, they are just two ports, but these ports can be very versatile, so you can use this to plug an external monitor or even an external GPU if you want to play games on your MacBook Air. Actually, I don't think I've covered the specs on this laptop, so I've gone with a very basic spec on this one. It's got the 8th generation i5 dual core processor with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB solid state drive. Now I know those are pretty basic specs, but then again, this laptop is going to be used for just admin work, so you know, your usual Microsoft Office, sending emails and just browsing the web and whatnot. So guys, that wraps up a quick unboxing video of my 2018 MacBook Air. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, do leave them in the comments as well. I'll try and answer as many as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.